Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the forex.com platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in forex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official forex.com website. From this page, click on Accounts at the top right corner and then click on the Login button to log into your account. From this page, you can use your username and password and then click on I'm not a robot and then log into your account right away. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken to your web trader platform. Now from this page, in order to change your email address, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Details. You will now be taken to your account settings page from which you can update your email address by simply entering your preferred new email address. So type in your preferred new email address and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the Update Email button. And now your email address will be changed right away if your account is a demo account. Otherwise, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to the new email address. So simply check your inbox and then open up the email from forex.com, which will have your authentication key. After you enter the authentication or verification key and click on the Update Email button, your email will be changed right away. And now you can use this new email address in order to log into your account on forex.com. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on forex.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.